Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Adidas is one of the biggest and most famous sports brands in the world. It has a long and interesting history, many creative ideas, and a big influence on popular culture. In this video, we will talk about the history, global growth, stores, and fun facts about Adidas. The story of Adidas started in the 1920s. Adolf Dassler, also called Adi, started a small shoe company with his brother Rudolf in the town of Herzogenaurach, Germany. But later, the two brothers had a big fight and split up. Rudolf started a new brand called Puma, and Adi started Adidas on August 18, 1949. The name Adidas comes from combining Adi and part of his last name Dassler. Adi's goal was to make high-quality shoes to help athletes perform better. Adidas quickly became popular because of its new ideas, good quality, and special designs. One big moment was in the 1936 Olympics in Berlin. American runner Jesse Owens wore Adidas shoes and won 4 gold medals. Later, Adidas made more products like sports clothes, accessories, and special shoes for different sports. They also worked with artists and fashion designers. In the 1950s and 1960s, Adidas football, soccer, shoes became very popular. Adidas is now in many countries. According to Statista, in 2023, Adidas had about 1,860 active stores worldwide. In 2016, there were more than 2,800 stores. The number dropped mainly because of closing stores in places like Russia. You can find the nearest Adidas store using their official store locator. The famous 3 stripes design was first owned by a Finnish brand named Karu. Adidas bought it in 1952 for 1,600 euros and 2 bottles of whiskey. The first Adidas logo showed a shoe with 3 stripes. Later, it changed to the trefoil and mountain shapes we see today. Both Adidas and Puma started in the same small town. They were strong rivals for many years. In the 1970s, Adidas made the first low-top basketball shoe with full leather. It was called Superstar. Later, it became popular in skateboarding and street fashion. Adidas always invests in new technology. They have special labs to create new shoe designs and features. In the 1980s, the hip-hop group Run DMC made a song called My Adidas. It made the brand even more popular. Adidas has worked with stars like Kanye West, Pharrell Williams, and Stella McCartney. They made creative and stylish collections together. Since 2015, Adidas has worked with Parley for the oceans. They make shoes and clothes using recycled ocean plastic. In Boston, there was a park called Adidas Park. Only people wearing Adidas shoes could enter. Wearing other brands? You had to go to the Tree of Shame. Adidas is more than a sportswear brand. It mixes innovation, high quality, cool design, and cultural partnerships. From a family rivalry to worldwide success, Adidas has won the hearts of millions. It shows that with strong values and a clear vision, a brand can become a legend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.